Hey physics, I'm going to tell you the plan for the rest of the year because we got it all figured out now. So we're leading up to finals now, so it's all review. So the basic idea for each one of these days is that we're going to take one unit that you guys had a test on. We're going to have you review the graphing, the big ideas for that unit in the morning and do some practice problems that are adapted from the stuff we've already done. And then in the afternoon, you're going to check your answer key for those problems, and then we're going to play some kind of review game about everything. So that is the case for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Monday, Tuesday is a day to just like review whatever you need to review. And you should be submitting missing assignments as you go too. We are definitely in crunch time at the end of the year here. So nothing is graded in here. So if you need to adjust things so that you can get missing assignments in, for example, be selective and careful. Obviously, you want to make sure you get your review and that you need to, but you can focus on working on missing assignments during this time too. And certainly, you're welcome to meet with me for office hours. You can sign up there at this link right there. And I'm guessing it's going to fill up a little bit. So, yeah. Oh, and also, of course, Monday is for 4th and 6th hour, you guys are finishing up the forces in motion test. So, and then finals week, June 9th, 10th, and 11th. 1st and 2nd hour have their finals on Wednesday, 3rd and 4th hour on Thursday. Ooh, this is not correct. Sorry, I'll change this real quick, but this is actually like early morning. It's like 8:40 to something. So you're done at 11:30 a.m. on Friday. So yeah, I'll get that set there. You can see that in a minute. Yeah, so the hours for Friday, June 11th for 6th hour final is 8:40 a.m. to 10 a.m. for that first one, and then 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. So you get the rest of the day off and the rest of the summer off. I hope you guys have a great summer break planned. Anyways, yeah, that's the plan for the next couple weeks. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.